Hello guys, this is my LG dishwasher. So this is in my next video. So I'm taking this video of it with the OnePlus 12. So there might be some spots even though there are no spots on it. This is auto, this is power, this is auto, this is intensive in steam cycles. Delicate refresh, I've turned it on refresh. Echo Turbo Express download cycle. This is these two things I don't know, but this means dishwasher cleaning, and this means this cycle is started. This means this thing. This is dual zone and this is half floor, and this is control lock if your child just plays with it. This is energy saving for this is steam for removing allergies, and this is high temperature to make it clean. Extra dry means to make it dry that it won't get much wet. Delay start, if there is delay in operating it, you can use delay start. And this is Wi-Fi to connect Wi-Fi like I told you from here. And this is start button and cancel button too. It also has some noise. It has a pipe, some there stuck. This is eco-rinse too. Forgot to say that maybe. And this dual zone, half zone, energy saver are efficiency options. And the steam, high temperature, extra dry are performance options. Extra functions, hold 3 seconds. Hold 3 seconds when Wi-Fi start. For best results, you could use Fortune liquid, and for max, we have done out, so you could use something else too to do this. Yeah, this is, and also I forgot to say, this is the time display or the steam refresh cycle. Steam refresh cycle. See you in my next video.